Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. My name's Dave. I think you know where you are. Today I want to get that car finished down, at least get the head off. I want to start the repair process, and the next video you'll see is me repairing it and maybe assembling it again. I'm hoping it won't take anywhere near as long to assemble it because I don't want to catch flu in the middle of it all. Anyway, yesterday I managed to get the pulley loosened off, and today I'm going to try and get that pulley off, take off the valve gear, take off the sides including the turbo, and then remove the head. We'll see how we go. Right, I reckon I'll get that off. There it goes. There we are. Okay, that's the pulley off. Now I can get this assembly. Oh, I've got a bloody cloth stuck in there. I'll have to work around it, so I need that. Not that. They look like 12mm. See if we got this right. Right on that one. I don't know if we need to remove that one. Oh, maybe. Not sure. Not sure we're right on this one though. I think I'm at 11. Alright, so the dilemma is, do I take the camshafts off or do I try and just take the whole thing off? Not sure. I'm going to go and look at one in the garage and see what I can find. One, two, oh, there's one in the middle. So that's 5 for there. But it ain't 5. Well, it is 3, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. That should be it. Take this out and that should do it. That should be. And pretty solid. Okay, so what we need to do here is undo them from either end. You always start in the middle when you tighten them down, and you start at the ends when you're undoing them. That one wasn't very tight, neither was that one. I don't know if it's necessary, but I've removed the camshafts. I probably want to replace these end oil seals anyway, because they look a bit grutty and they've got a bit of crud on them, so that's good. Apparently while I've removed that I should be able to get the turbo off a bit easier, so that's the next to come off. Well, that goes down to where the head bolts are. I don't want to release them until I've got everything else off, so let's start with this. That's a 10mm. This oil pipe off the top. I'm not sure if that needs to come off, but it's coming off anyway. Right, why I'm going to put this cloth back over is because I don't want to drop anything down the bottom. I have to take the bottom edge of the engine apart just to get a washer out. I don't want to be doing that. Right, let's try and get this turbo off now. I've taken the water inlet off. I've taken the oil inlet off. I'm going to take the water drain off, which is this. which I'm going to struggle to get into unless I can turn it, which it doesn't look like I can. Alright, so what I'm trying to do now is remove the turbocharger and the nuts holding it on, and I can only get to one of them. The other one is practically impossible. Not impossible, but bloody difficult. I have to think of a better way than that. I've got this one loose. It's going to need renewing anyway, so I'm going to just let this drop down to the floor when it comes off. There we go. I'll get my magnet and I'll get that out. Okay, that's one nut off. Well, that could be it. That's about 10 mil. Okay, what I'm having trouble with here is the other turbo bolt is a real pain. Just getting on it is bad enough. I'm trying to get on it, but it's not proving easy. I've got one off, can't get onto the other one to get it off. I'm going to take that bracket off maybe. That might give me a bit more access. So what this is all about is making this more accessible. So I'm going to try and see if I can make it a bit more accessible to get to the... I've removed the turbo. I'm sorry, I forgot to press record on the camera, but it's off now. So that's the one side done. I'll have to release that bracket. No, I won't. No, it's not fastened on. There's no bolt in it. That's good. So now I've just got the other side to do. Well, we'll need that off, and we will need that off, hopefully. Oh, I'm sick of going through gloves. I've got a bracket to get off, I've got a fuel pipe to get off, and then I can lift everything out. It looks all clear at this side anyway. Low plug cable, 12 mil. Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. I managed to get the turbo off. I've got all the left hand side of the engine done. I've got the cam carrier off and everything. As you can see, the cams are down there. I've taken that pulley off. I've got everything bagged up into bags, and there's the turbo sitting over there. So I've pretty much got everything off. Just the right hand side to release now, and that hopefully it'll be off by tomorrow. I thought I'd have it done today, but it's starting to get cold, so it must be getting late, so I'm going to give up. I'll continue on tomorrow. I've only got tomorrow, then I'm away on Friday off for the weekend. So I've got to get it done tomorrow so I can get a gasket ordered. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.